Let's see how to select text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to select a few words within our document. So there are multiple ways that you can do this. So the first one is the simplest way. You can do it by simply um, holding your left click on your mouse and then dragging it along your text, just like that. And let's say you want to select words only or individual words. And to do that, you can simply double click, just like that. And to select an entire sentence, for example, you can also hold the control key on your keyboard and click on the sentence, just like that. And additionally, let's say that you have a long paragraph, for example, such as this one, to select an area instead of a line, you can hold the shift key on your keyboard and just drag your mouse along. And basically, that is how you can select text in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.